Circle the objects that would float.
This, a boat, and this.
What about that? Go try it.
And a spoon.
Okay, see.
Well done.
Good job.
Look how far you've come.
Okay.
That's really great.
Job,
The
honey.
polar
Trace
bear
me.
find the path to the region where he lives.
So we're gonna start with the polar bear, right?
One more time and you'll have it.
Let's start with the polar bear, right? Oh. Where does he live? He lives. The polar bear lives in Africa? No, he does not. Where does the polar bear live? What is that? Arctic? I don't see what that one is. Like the very top one. Let's. Which one is this?
What do you think it says?
Atlantis?
Australia.
I know what it is. Is this Arctic?
That's the Arctic. Don't worry, you'll get it next time.
He lives in
Try
Arctic
again.
now.
But you didn't start with the polar bear.
Let's go try it again.
Excellent!
Yay! You did really well.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!